how to cut your own hair at home. It's easy, folks. I'll show you a couple. I'm gonna leave a couple links down below on some things that you can get. Before I show you my stuff, there's kits like this out there. Yeah, the Wall or the Conair, and like I said, there's links down below that'll take you, and you can pick out your own and order it, and you don't even have to leave the house. Let's look and see what Papa's got. Hang on. Alright, see all this stuff right here? You got your comb, you got your pull your hair back, you got your scissors, you know. I'm going to give you some great advice that Papa started doing in his early 30s. We did this. Okay, get rid of all that. Ooh. That's what I use. Easy. Done. That's right, people. All you guys, stop doing all the foo-foo stuff. But if you wanted to, this one even comes with a CD. See, it's right here. It teaches you how to trim and cut your hair. But when I was in my early 30s, I said, I am not going getting a haircut anymore. 12, 16 bucks, whatever it is, and it takes time. I don't got time. Yeah. So what I do, I took this razor. I turned around, I took one of these things here and I put it on there. And see, I don't have much hair now. Actually, I got more than supposed to, but it's winter time. So what I did, I put that little guard on there and I went all over my head, took it off, and got the back here up real good, or got the wife to do it. Nowadays, it's Maddie that does it. Sorry to interrupt, but I got two things for you. The first one is, back in my early 30s, I used the largest guard, and I finally went down, 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 and now I'm at the point that I use a zero. The zero is this, and I use no guard anymore. Now right now, you see Papa Texas has some hair that is very rare. We're getting back, it's a little cool today. It's like 56 degrees. But I tell you what, we get to summertime, I will shave more. And I'll shave this baby on. It'll all be gone. And I love it. Alright, the second thing is, if you cut your hair using this with a guard or whatever, do all that, put the picture on Instagram and add Papa Texas 5501, Papa Texas 5501. Tag me to it so I can see it. I would love to see that. Alright, back to Papa. Oh, and Papa made a mistake. He said hit that, if you want to subscribe to me, hit that red subscribe button. If you want to be notified, hit the bell. And you'll be notified when Papa puts another entertaining video out. My mama says I'm entertaining. Yeah. Back to Papa. Do it so your hair's like that tall all the way around. But you know what? When you get out of the pool, it's awesome. When you get out of the shower, it's awesome. You will love it and you'll regret not doing it a long time ago. You know, in today's time, save time. Save time and money. You buy one of these for like 30 bucks. Like I said, you got them where they can come with all this extra stuff and you can learn how to do it, or your spouse or whoever can learn how to cut your hair. But you do it the Papa Texas way and you'll never go back. Even if you do, you ain't going back to work for a couple months. Who cares? Yeah, well, unless you're on them little telly things where you're talking with people in a conference and they see you and you're wearing a shirt and PJs or undies or something and they can't see the bottoms. Did you know that more people, shirt sales are going up and pant sales are going down because everybody's on those little things talking to each other, and all you see is from here up is Papa Texas. That's right. I got some awesome videos on this channel. If you're not subscribed to Papa Texas, hit that little red bell and hit that bell and you'll be notified when I put more videos out. Especially like cooking. I cook. I only cook outdoors. I'm not allowed to cook indoors. You see why in a bunch of them videos. Yeah, that's true. I figure up how many times a year you go get you a haircut. Your time, your money. Doesn't money mean something? Get rid of that. Get them. 2 links down below. One's for a Con Air. It's like a movie. The other one's Wall. And you can just check out the different products they have and everything else. Anything you buy from there, even if it's not those items, anything you search on and buy by using one of those links, puts a little bit of money back into the Papa Texas channel, and it doesn't cost you an extra dime. That's right. Thank you. God bless y'all. Stay safe. Y'all be nice to each other at that house if you're stuck in the house. Alright? It's Papa. Papa Texas. The Big W made me that. His link's down below too. And you want to see some Route 66 Arizona? That's him. Yeah, it's Papa Texas. See ya.